Hexen obviously offers SEO, marketing, services, video. It's a complex offering to help businesses find their way to the top of the list. So what we've done is evaluated a set of very popular questions, frequently asked questions, that generally people looking for products that you offer would ask. So what we'll do now is we're gonna knock out some of those questions so we can answer them before the folks call. You can speed the process up.
Sure.
All right. No, why do people sell houses as is?
Okay. Good question. And there's a lot of different situations. People sell homes in their as-is condition for a multitude of reasons. It could be anything from an inherited home, a home that hadn't been updated in 30 years. Could be a hoarder home. Could have had a fire. I mean, I could go on and on. Or they're just looking for simplicity or, something to go quicker. It would be a short answer. Yeah, I mean, that's mainly why people sell in an as-is shape. They may not want to fix it up. They may want to not have to worry about contingencies like whether someone can get financing. They may not want to clean it out. They may not want to make the fix-its. They may not want to go through the traditional home sale where they have to go through all the inspections and worry about the time frames. And a lot of times in those time frames, you could go, if you had a closings that's set to close 30, 45 days out, financing can fall through at the last minute.
Yeah.
And you're back starting at square one, having to renegotiate inspection fix-its with the homeowner, and it can fall through, or you have to pay money or fix things. So those are some of the reasons why somebody might, look for more of an as-is type situation.